the team's ongoing efforts, we have recovered 4 additional victims. The number of confirmed deaths is now 32, with 26 of those identified. And we have 113 reports of people who are potentially unaccounted for.
As of 8 a.m. this morning, the National Hurricane Center Advisory has Elsa located 55 miles west of Key West, moving north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Maximum winds are near 60 miles per hour, but Elsa is expected to near hurricane strength tonight prior to making landfall in Florida.